two pieces from Zach Lauder. They are not sold together, you buy them separately, but they are so cute together or separate. This is their flowy open back top. You can tie it or you can have it hanging down and open, so cute. And then this is their pink tennis skirt. It is flat in the front and pleated in the back. Nice and cute for sports, for tennis, for soccer, whatever.
And there's pockets.
There are pockets on the attached biker shorts underneath. Love that. So they can stretch, they can run, they can jump, they can cartwheel. No worries whatsoever. Woo, yes. What do you think? So fun. The material is really soft and stretchy, like a swimsuit material almost for both of these. Really soft, skin friendly. The waistband is very thick as far as lengthwise, so it doesn't cut in, it just lays flat against the tummy. This is super stretchy and comfy. Order true to size. And then as far as the tank top, again, let me show you it. We have it all tied up here, but here's how you can have it just open and then nice and breezy, flowy in the top. You could put like a fitted tank top underneath it. If you don't want their skin exposed, you could put a tank top or even a t-shirt under here to layer it up, super cute. And then you could tie it, low, you could tie it like super high. I mean, really flexible how you wear this. We love it from Zach Lauder, and know you will too.
Yeah.